This one right here, go hard.
I feel adrenaline all in my veins. The game will not be the same. I feel adrenaline. I swear to God that they gon' remember the name. I feel adrenaline. Don't come in my lane. I don't got time for you lames. I feel adrenaline. It's all in my veins. The game will not be the same. People been messaging me, telling me about how my music impacted their life. I never thought reminiscing about what I've been through would help somebody see the light. Only a matter of time before I just blow the cup and take shit new heights. They always told me that living off music's impossible, but I saw through all the lies. Labels can't buy me. I'm independent unless Bobby Boy signed me. Where can you find me? I'm in the lab creating some music that's timeless. My instincts guide me. Fuck their opinion, I listen to what is inside me. Please do not try me. The greatest rappers alive, only a few beside me. I'ma keep pushing until I am dead. You know I mean every word that is said. Crazy that rappers I used to look up to are now competition. I aim for their head. I need to post my lyrics on Genius so you can go see the heat like infrared. I'm making money from rapping. I'm all about the dough like the Simpson who lives next to Ned. Yeah, I'm underrated but not for long, cause I'm about to take off. Yeah, no days off. 10,000 hours invested, it's gonna pay off. Hey, everybody know that J-E-R-O-N me flow so deadly. I got these rappers so scared, man, they shitting themselves. Elvis Presley. I feel adrenaline all in my veins. The game will not be the same. I feel adrenaline. I swear to God that they gon' remember the name. I feel adrenaline. Don't come in my lane. I don't got time for you lames. I feel adrenaline. It's all in my veins. The game will not be the same. I had people try and jump me last year and still haven't gotten the message. I was doing sessions, 20-minute intervals and still making records. I don't believe in excuses when everything I want is fucking expensive. I almost actually died from making my last album, working over excessive, but that was expected. I can't decide if I wanna make it and breaking the game, make it Drake B-sides. Leave my bitch alone when she with me in the city and we drinking rum and cokes on the B-side. East side, rapping when I step in and never throwing the peace signs. Never had the keys, but I realized knee-high records never been in. I'll be independent forever and living as how I wanted by design. I said some things that you couldn't relate to. I fuck some women you couldn't believe, but they wanna be with me for the breakthrough. I had 2 million streams, it ain't when it seems, but fucking I'm thankful. Know that I mean that I love you whenever I tell you I hate you. Just know that I mean that I love you whenever I tell you I hate you. I've been doing well, just wrapped the project, I still got a story to tell. I reconnected with God, my soul ain't for sale. I'd rather never make it than guarantee storage.
This one's 2017 or 2018 Cadillac Escalade. So it basically came to us from a good client. Unfortunately, before he met us, he wasn't having work done by us, so we're just correcting a couple of things here and there on it. Chrome delete that we're going to correct on it. We re-powder coated the wheels, so gave it a super high gloss. Added ceramic coating to the exterior of the wheel, added ceramic coating to the barrel of the wheel, and then I'm going to come over here. We changed the caliper coloring as well, so stripped them totally off the vehicle, blasted them down, and then of course painted everything. It's really good. Proper way to do it. This one will be finished up. You know, took us only a couple of days. Looks really good. Client will be super happy once it's done. We also ceramic coated the calipers as well, so it's going to reduce brake dust, keep it really clean, and give it kind of that added gloss to it as well. So super nice vehicle. Escalades, man, they drive like a dream. Time, come. Hey, come here. Coming? All right, so our technician, we just got the calipers back from coloring. He's gonna go ahead and actually install the brakes. We're gonna bleed them, and we're gonna take it for a test drive, and this one's finished up.
My bitch too bad, she a diva. I just bought a 2-door car for a seater, and any motherfucker that wanted could get it. I've been in shit for a minute, that's how I feel when I feel the adrenaline. I feel adrenaline all in my veins. The game will not be the same. I feel adrenaline. I swear to God that they gon' remember the name. I feel adrenaline. Don't come in my lane. I don't got time for you lames. I feel adrenaline. It's all in my veins. The game will not be the same.
The Jeep actually came in, the client found it was a barn find. He went and got a lift tire and the wheels on it, and now we're just gonna add window tint. So it's gonna be a nano ceramic Lumar window tint. It's gonna do state legal in Texas on the front windows and 15% on the back, but really nice looking Jeep right here. And we're gonna finish up the Escalade. This one's gonna roll out today. This one actually, really nice client of ours. They're gonna be bringing us another Audi S6, his wife's car, and we're gonna uniform it the same exact way. Gonna look awesome with the same black wheels, red calipers, and of course white exterior. So this one will be rolling out today as well. A couple of windows that we got a tint on another client's car, and then a Lexus full tint on that, and then we're gonna go pick up my Raptor today too, so.
Yeah. I need you. I need you to hate so I can use you for your energy.
But that's not legal in the state of Texas, so we only do 80%. Another one, DJ Khaled. Another one. Do I have change?
No big bands on me.
I think I probably only have bands on me too.